the students today have been doing an Exploring My Future workshop using the LEGO Serious Play method. So this is a creative problem-solving way of tackling complex problems. It's only really been used in corporate organisations before for complex problem-solving. But I thought, well, what's more complex a problem than a young person trying to understand themselves and what they want to do with their lives. So seeing the workshop in practice and seeing how open-minded and creative the students are, it's been a great success, and I've been really happy with the progress we've made with it. This will create opportunities then thinking about what they want to do at the studio school in the future in mapping their pathways.
Well, today we just kind of did Lego and stuff, so we're making towers that, represent what we want to do in the future and what we, what we see ourselves as. And, it helps instead of just, thinking in your brain, this, you can see it visually.
By getting to do more of what I want, I think I'll figure out, where I want to go, because in my mainstream schooling or at my old schools, I didn't really get to experience the kind of thing that I want to do when I'm older. So getting to kind of choose what I want to do and getting more autonomy will help me decide what I want to go and do.